How to set up AI Workspaces using Claude Projects. First, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. Sign into your Claude account. Once you're on the Claude homepage, look at the left sidebar and find Projects. Click New Project to start a new workspace. Now, enter a name for your project. For example, you can create a project called YouTube Content. You can also add a description to explain what you want to use this project for. Once your project is created, open it and go to the Project Knowledge section. Here, you can upload files, documents, or other information that Claude should use when working on this project. You can also add project instructions. For example, you could write, "You are my YouTube assistant. Create short, clear, SEO-optimized tutorial scripts." Now, start a conversation inside your project. Claude can use the information and instructions you've added to provide more relevant responses. You can return to the same project whenever you want, keeping your related conversations and resources organized in one place. That's it. You've successfully created an AI workspace using Claude Projects. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and productivity tips.